You look like you still feel something for her.
Yeah, man. I care about her, yes. You know, you don't know I'm baby mother. But that's about it.
If you say so.
Bossy,
Sir?
um, I can borrow the car.
You want me to have an assignment?
No, I know. That look work one mash up, man. Nah, take long.
What kind of little work you do? Yeah, what? You do in-drive? Uber? Which one? Talk to me now.
I'm supposed to carry car I go for Cassitan.
Oh, you go on date with your baby mother. Never to smoke without fire. So, Destiny, I got that with them.
You know, sir, I'm here alone that road. Just show her the place, man. Remember a long time she there, I know. Thanks, sir, bossy.
Have fun. So, who we can expect to sit down? Victory? Destiny. Mama look from where you're calling. Destiny. Destiny.
I'm soon listen to the message, them here. As I'm reaching at the car. Bossy, later.
Hey babe, I won't be able to make it to our birthday today. I'm so sorry. This was supposed to be the day that I start over, the day that I tried to right my wrongs with you. Unfortunately, I guess this it's not what it's gonna turn out to be. This message serves as a confession because I'm tired of lying, I'm tired of running, and I'm tired of hiding. I lied to you. I didn't disappear for an entire year because I was in an abusive relationship, babe. I was in witness protection. I didn't do anything. I just witnessed something that is of major threat to society and to me personally. I'm the star witness in a major human trafficking case, and they just had to put me in witness protection based on the persons that are involved. I can't give you too much details, but these are some dangerous people, and I was just at the wrong place at the wrong time. I've always loved you, and I've always wanted us to be together with our daughter. Nothing brought me more joy than our little trip to Hope Gardens and, seeing you and Destiny when you hugged me, when you tell me how much you missed me. Babe, there's nothing more comforting than that. That's the normalcy that I want, that I crave. I haven't had that in years. I really miss my daughter, and I needed to see her again. So when you saw me pop up the other day, I escaped. They found me. No, I have to return. I just want you to tell Destiny how much I love her and that I'll see her again soon. I will be there for her sweet 16. I can't promise anything else, but I know I'll be there soon. I'm so sorry. I just hope you leave that space in your heart for me because I'll be back, babe. I love you so much, Mikey. I always have, and I always will. Bye. Bye, Mikey.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, I'm on my way. About 10 minutes away. Hold on then. Me will call you back.
My girl, you alright? Ah, what is my girl?